Hello, I'm Lee Brown, and today I'm going to show you how to use Markel to put colour onto your background. And this is the one that I did earlier, but then I realised it was too long and complicated for this particular video. So what I'm doing is just take you through the steps of how I would normally work. I would normally make a quick sketch of what I wanted to do, and then I would pick out 2 or 3 shapes, and in this instance it was that shape and that shape, and these are the leaves, and I work with those. It's an extremely simple technique, and the only thing is you might become addicted to it and not want to stop. Once you've finished printing it, then you wad it at the back and you then stitch into it. So you'll be quilting and emphasising at the same time, using a darker thread round some and actually just outlining it. I've got 4 different colours on here.